So hi traders, welcome to FEKfx Trading Market Vision. We'll be breaking down the charts and identifying high probability opportunity and prepare for the trading week ahead using FEKfx Trading System. This is the first video I'll be dropping, which will be the episode 1 of this series. I just decided that I'll be coming on here every Sunday to be sharing this with you guys. So I will leave it to you to kindly share, like, and subscribe to encourage me. So without wasting of our time, let's go into the those synthetic indices pairs I will be looking to take the trade in the course of the week. So the first on my list is what volatility 25-1s. Volatility 25-1s. So if you check this trade now, this market is what is making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this simply means what the market is on a downtrend. And when the market is on a downtrend, you don't want to see yourself selling. So the market rejected of this level. Market was unable to break this level. So that means the level is most likely to hold in the series of rejection candle. As you can see, this is the daily time frame, and yesterday candle gave us a pressure bearish candle. So we'll be looking to sell this market, and the market has pretty much. So market took this trend line, which tells us that the market is most likely to go down. So for volatility 25-1s, I'll be looking for the markets to still push into this place very well before I'll be looking for selling opportunity. Do you understand? So in a simple sentence, we'll be looking to sell this market. But I won't be taking it now because in forex there's nothing like almost. This market did not get into this my level. So I won't be interested as for now. So I will wait for the market to do come back here. Then I will be looking to short this market to the downside. As that is as simple as that. The next pair on my list is V5, volatility 5. Volatility 5. We now have a lot of volatilities, some new ones that are just added. You might not see them on TradingView. That is why I love using MT5. So first thing first, when I want to I want to analyze the market, I go to the highest time frame, which is in this level, the daily time frame. So can you see this market is it goes to this place, then form something like inverted head and shoulder. Can you see? And this is the neckline, and the market has just broken out of the neckline. So when the market, and if you are familiar with trading of pattern, if the market broke out of the neckline, you'll be looking for what? You'll be looking for a retest. So we'll be waiting for this market to get into this place, go on a lower time frame, and look for buying opportunity back to the upside. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. Can you see? So I'll be waiting for this market to pull back. So if I want to buy this market now, I'll be taking my TP here. That is my first TP. So if this market comes back down and give me reason to enter here on the lower time frame, I will do I will join the market back to this level, and I will take my profit right here. Are you getting it? So V5 anticipation by trend. Are you getting it? The next one is is my V10. The next of my list is V10, volatility 10. Volatility 10. If you're hearing me saying VV, anytime you hear me say V, it means volatility. So I'm sorry. So volatility 10. And as you can see, this market might move. Is it V10? Sorry. Let me just check where I write it down so that I'll not be convincing V10 for V1S. Okay. Yes. Remember that the market was coming down, goes to this particular level, and did what? The market could not go further. So this place it looks like a double bottom for this market. Are you getting it? So what I'll be interested in, anytime you see a double bottom, the market is most likely to guess to what? To go at least to the neckline. At least to the neckline. So I'll be anticipating a buy for this market. A buy. That is why if you come on, I've been buying this market since last week, though. And you see from here. So what I'll be doing is I'll be looking at this level. So as my confusion is this. I'll be looking for a breakout, proper breakout. This thing has taken out the trend line. And I'll be looking to take my profit around this place. But this place looked like a bigger head and shoulder. If you check this place, see. So this place looks like what? A neckline. So I'll be looking at this place for a TP. So I'll be looking for this market to break out properly, move away from the level, come back to the test it before I will now buy it to the upside. Because this happening right now does not look like a proper breakout to me. Are you getting it? So that is where patience comes. It's part of the strategy where patience comes in. So I have to wait for this market to properly break out, then come back for a retest and move. So for V10 also, it is a buy trade for me. I'm anticipating a buy. The next one is what? Volatility 75. V75. I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I'm trying to rush it so that you not get bored watching it. So V75, as usual, firstly, you come on what? You come on, and let me delete all the thing on it. Come on the high time frame to check the trend. Yeah. So if you've been following this market for the longest, you see that this market bring like what? Something like, wanted to bring something like a lower, equal low, but this place look like what? An higher low. This low is technically higher than this. Are you getting this? And ever since then, the market broke out of this level. Sorry. So the market broke out of this level, failed to retest it properly on the daily time frame. So what the market is just doing right now is that the market is coming back to retest this level on a daily time frame. It's coming back to us to retest this level. So that is why I'll be anticipating for a sell to this level before I now change my bias to buy. But for now, the market is still selling to this level. See this level. But that does not mean I'll be looking for here for my 230p. No. There are still some levels on yes. If you check here, this market broke out of this level. So I'm looking for a retest of this level. And when market retest this level, and next target will be here, and TP will be here. So for V75, I'm looking for a sell. If this market can retest here properly, if market can retest here properly and give me a reason to enter, I will enter here and I will target. That's my yes. I will target here from here to here. So at V75, it is a sell. I'm anticipating sell opportunity, sell opportunity for V75. The next one on my list is what is V50, volatility 50, volatility 50, volatility 50. Let's do a quick analysis on it as well. So yeah, I just have to import my template. I have a template I'm using, so that's why. Okay. This volatility 50 has been in this range. How are you getting it? For a very long time. How you see, this is a daily time frame. It has been within this. So you can see that this thing has changed. This low is lower than this. So this low is higher than this. And you can check it. Can you see? Can you see? So this tells that the market is most likely to what? To turn to the upside. So move from downtrend to what? From a selling trade to what? A buying trade. And you can check, this trend line has been broken. Are you getting it? So now the market is looking like a buy for now. And if I want to buy this market, I'll be looking at like this here. This is to take my profits. Let me delete this. Let's go on for our time frame. Can you see? Can you see? Sorry. Can you see here? Let me just delete it and I will redraw it very well. Ooh. So, can you see? I'll be looking to buy this trade up to this level. Up to this level. Let me check it. Let me check something. Maybe this trade is ripe. Okay. Okay. I'll be looking for like a chart pattern so that I can draw my trend line, wait for it to take it out and enter buy. So V50 is pretty much lying. It's lying pretty much for a what? For a buy trade. Are you getting it? But for now, it's not ripe yet. That is why patience is part of it. You don't, just because you know that the market is going up, that does not mean you should just jump on it blindly. So V50, it is a buy. Then the last on this V volatility index is what? V51S. V51S. Do your what? Do V51S. I'll be looking for, okay, well, let's take it, let's see it, let's make judgments to it. I was looking for this list, I was looking at this list for this market to get here and continue its downtrend. However, the market broke it, retested it, and can you see, this Sunday market is what is pretty bullish engulfing candle already. If this market can continue in this momentum, that means I'll be looking at what? For a buy setup, which I'll take my TP around this place. Yes, the market is going to get here, but at least put your TP as the safest place. Don't be too greedy. Do you get it? So can you see this market reacted over here? But there's this level I'm waiting for the market to break, and which is this level. And can you see? It means that the retracement is over. It broke the trend line and also what the mini support, the resistance loss, sorry. So I'll be looking for this market to break it properly, come back to the test it. I'll go on the time frame towards to look for a buy opportunity to the upside. So this place, can you see? It is a long trade. Can you see all this place is ours? The market can be, if we can just have patience and allow the market to come to you. Patience is what is powerful than any strategy you can be using. So the last one on my list is the jump. Now we go to jump 10. Yes. Jump 10. Okay. So this is the jump 10 in a nutshell. This jump 10 is what? On a downtrend. I was able to catch this more. I was able to catch this whole move. Yes. I was anticipating the market to come here. However, the market was turned around to come and do a proper retest. And markets, I'm anticipating still sell. Yes. I still anticipating the market to come to around this level. But at least I'll take my profits here if I find a buy and sell opportunity. This will give me a first level. Come to 4 hours time frame. If I see, I'll just put this here at the close of the candle. And I'll put my level here. There's this level I've been watching since yesterday. As you can check, you cannot see me doing analysis without using trend line. That's my 3 main tools. I use trend line, rectangle, and Fibonacci retracements. That's all. That's all what I use. You don't need much to make money in this industry. The simplest chart to make the more money. So I'm looking for this market to what? Break out properly. This is not a proper breakout. I'm not interested. Can you get it? I want the market to break out, retest, and what? I'll be able to sell in peace and not in pieces. So I'm looking for a sale opportunity for jump 10. So these are the what? These are the pairs on my lists. I'll be looking forward to take trade for this week. So we just have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just 7 for this week. You don't have to trade every day. Number 1, V25 is what? Is sell. We're looking for a sell in V25. But before we sell, we wait for this market to what? To enter this place, to enter our trap very well before we anticipate sell. Okay. This V5 is what? Is a buy opportunity, but we are going to wait for this market to get here before the market move up again. That is for V5. I'm just recapping. This next one is what? V10, which is a buy also. But we wait for the market to break out properly, retest it before the market move to the upside, which is also buy. V75, it is a sell. It is a sell. V75, always selling. I love it. We tested this piece, then move. So I'll be looking for sell setup. Sell setup, guys. So on V50, it is a buy. But well, we are still waiting for this market to commit to us. Because this market can still was close like this, tweezer top. So wait for this market to tell that this level is going to hold before we open buy opportunity. The next one is what? Is V51S, which is also a buy. Wait for proper breakout retest. My brother, good to go. Sweet, and what they call it? Analysis. Sweet pattern. Inverted head and shoulder. And this is what? The last one, which is V10. It is a sell. It is a sell. So these are what? These are the pairs you'll be looking out for this in the course of this week. And you have to be what? Be patient enough to let this market comes to you. Don't chase it. Because remember, we don't chase the market. We let the market do what? Qualify itself. And I will see you next week Sunday on FEKfx Market Vision. This is the episode 1. So kindly like, share, and subscribe to encourage me. Thank you very much.